We work hard to give everyone the very best. When we hear that we made a difference, it makes it all worthwhile. Here's a wonderful review about just one of many happy experiences.
They do more than just bathrooms. Highland Bathroom Remodeling did our complete kitchen, and the work was flawless. Great workmanship. We now love showing off our new kitchen to our friends and family. Our Redlands home is now up to date, and this project is behind us. Their estimate was very accurate, and their prices were very fair.
This is one of our favorites because we go to great lengths to constantly work on improving our processes and making sure everyone gets the best service possible. Online feedback like this is always appreciated, and we love sharing it with others. So, if you're after great service that will cater to your needs, experience our top-notch service today. We're glad you had a chance to come and visit us today. Please feel free to ask any questions at any time.